I don't have any tiny pants, so I just use this red ribbon. Hi freaks, welcome back to Hi Stylin. I just was cutting peppers and then I rubbed my eye. And then I took my peppery hand and splashed water into my eyeballs. I don't recommend doing that, that's not the right thing to do. Anyway, it's all fine now. Let's see what Jaime's gonna have me wear. It's another red, white, and blue look. Jaime is such a loyal patriot when it comes to fashion. And we have pants as a tie, somehow. Alright. Well, this is adorable. I don't have any tiny pants, so I just used this red ribbon instead. And I don't know what the point was of layering the shirts. It just makes me look like I have some really badly done shoulder pads. Although it is kind of cute having this lighter blue peek out. I really love baby blue with red and white. I think that's so cute. Honestly, if it wasn't for the weird poofy sleeves underneath, I think I would just give it to Jaime and not even fix it because I think it's super cute. But we have to fix that because that looks really bad. I mean, I think we could just take that shirt off and then maybe find something else blue. Or we can wear the J. Crew sweater tied around the neck. You know, I love that. Oh, yeah, that's not gonna work. We can't even see the cute bow. And it's cuter in the front anyway. And realistically, you're gonna want to be able to wear the sweater if you get cold. So it needs to actually work as a sweater. Okay, so we need to lose this shirt. Perhaps Jaime meant for it to be wings the way it looks in the picture? No, I'll be nice. Honestly, it looks better than the bunchy shoulders though. Did I call this color baby blue? Is that the same thing as sky blue, or is one of them more green? I feel like both of them are the shirt that I was wearing at the beginning today, and this one is greener, like kind of an aqua. Anyway, it turns out I don't have really anything else this color. I have a lot of the more, you know, purpley blue than this greener blue, except for this swimsuit top. So I guess I could wear this to the 4th of July pool party. Because you know it always gets cold on 4th of July. You wear shorts and then you think you're going to be fine. I don't know where you live, but I get cold almost every year. But yeah, I still don't love it because when you put the sweater on, you're not going to see the other blue at all. And then it looks stupid like this. So I don't know. I think maybe Jaime won or maybe we tied. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Come back next week for another super adorable yet impossible to wear look.